Senator Abba Morro, senator representing Benue South Senatorial District of Benue State, in an interview with press on the leadership tussle in the National Assembly, says when it comes to the issue of democracy, he stands for one man, one vote. Senator Abba expressed displeasure in the allocation of positions to zones, says it's unjust to leave the North Central out of the equation, irrespective of political party.
When it comes to issues of democracy, I stand on the side of one man, one vote. That one I can assure you, anytime, any day. But having said that, we have a parliamentary procedure here. And under normal circumstances, the party with the majority numbers, by all democratic practices all over the world, nominates the leadership of the assembly. In this case, in our own peculiar situation, APC has majority in the Senate. So it should be the responsibility of APC to nominate who they want to be the Senate President, Deputy Senate President. But that is where it stops. That person normally will be chosen by consensus by APC members. But a situation where there are other candidates who disagree with the nominations of the party in the majority, a contest ensues. But even with the endorsement of a political party, election to the principal offices of the National Assembly are conducted on the floor of the two chambers of the National Assembly on the day of inauguration. So, senators are going to vote. House of Rep members are going to vote. Generally, for those of us who are here for particular reasons of deepening democracy and making a difference in the lives of our people, we take other factors or factors other than party to decide on who to support. That is what happened, was what happened in 2019. The scenario that presents itself now also is pointing to a direction where the final word will not be heard until that day. But I can assure you that many of us are prepared to toe the line of patriotism by ensuring that a popular person who is fit for the job. Yes, because North Central is a very, very vital action of Nigerian politics. I am PDP, no doubt about it. But if APC as a party is allocating positions to zones, it's unfair, it's unjust to leave the North Central out of the equation.
Narrating the ordeal of some communities in the Benue State, Senator Abba described the situation as helpless as there is no intervention from the military.
More than 70% of our local government has suffered from the hands of the marauders who are nearest me. They've been killing people in Edipe, they've been killing people in Apaha, they've been killing people in Niger, they've been killing people virtually every part. Kobe was the first community to be attacked. And up to today, I can tell you that all these communities in their numbers have fled their ancestral homes.
Neither has any arrest been made. Comfort Olayinka, DCTV News.